Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what was the Austro-Hungarian Empire. This powerful state was a dual monarchy, meaning it was formed by two separate kingdoms, Austria and Hungary, under a single ruler. It emerged from a significant compromise and played a crucial role in European history. We'll explore its unique structure and how it functioned as a major power in Central Europe. The Austro-Hungarian Empire was truly immense, both geographically and in its population. It encompassed many different ethnic groups, including Germans, Hungarians, Czechs, Poles, and Romanians, among others. This diversity was reflected in its unique governance, with separate parliaments in Vienna for Austria and Budapest for Hungary, yet united under the Habsburg monarch.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more historical insights. And speaking of things that hold together well, these leak-proof containers are fantastic for meal prep, keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
The empire's formation in 1867 was a strategic move to stabilize the Habsburg monarchy after military defeats. However, growing nationalism among its many ethnic groups created constant internal tensions. These pressures, combined with external conflicts, particularly the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, ultimately triggered World War I, leading to the empire's eventual dissolution. Even after its collapse, the Austro-Hungarian Empire left an undeniable mark on Europe. Its cultural contributions in art, science, and architecture were significant, with cities like Vienna becoming major cultural centers. The empire's dissolution also directly led to the creation of several new independent states, shaping the modern map of Central and Eastern Europe. Its complex history continues to be studied today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.